How to create a Snapchat account. So to create a Snapchat account, first of all, make sure you have installed the Snapchat application, and after installing, tap on the Snapchat. And if you have a saved account, then you can tap on login. But if you don't have a saved account, then tap on sign up, which is on the bottom left corner. And now you will have 5 steps. On the first step, you have to enter your first and last name, and after entering that, you can tap on continue. And on the next second step, you have to enter your birthday, and after entering your birthday, you can tap on continue. And now on the third step, you have to enter your username. The Snapchat will already give you the username, but if you want to change your username, then you can tap on change my username and change. I'm okay with this username, so I'll be tapping on continue. And now you have to set a password, and after setting a password, you can tap on continue. And now this is the last step. Here you have to enter email, or you can also use the phone number. And after entering your email or your phone number, then you can tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you create your Snapchat account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.